Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you on a very serious topic, a very important topic, a topic that has the capability to make you rich, a topic that has the capability to increase your standard from earning from working 5 to 6 to becoming a billionaire, a trillionaire, if properly done, if it's done properly, can become a billionaire. It's a very important topic where people pay money to go and learn. I'm teaching you guys all for free in this video. Here is a topic we are going to cover in this video. This video is divided into 3 parts. So the first part is I'll teach you what is Forex, where is Forex traded, what is traded in Forex, who is a Forex broker, how to trade Forex, how to start trading Forex. Part 2, I'll teach you what is leverage, what is lot size, what is stop loss and take profits. Part 3, I'll teach you how to choose a good broker, what is spread, what is swap. Then lastly, I will introduce you to my broker, one of the best broker I've ever used. Okay, let's dive into the topic straight up. Um, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. This is the only way you can support this channel. Please do well to subscribe, share this video, like, comment. Well, let's dive into the topic. What is Forex, or what is FX, as the name implies? Forex is a short form of foreign exchange. When you hear Forex, foreign exchange, or you can call it FX, is the largest financial market. The Forex market is a global, decentralized market where the world currency change hands, exchange rate change by seconds. So the market is constantly in flux. It's a very volatile market. So let me make you understand in case you still don't yet understand from this definition. Okay, for instance, now if I need to buy something from US, or if I need to travel to US, I have to exchange whatever my currency is, my country currency, to the US dollars. If I need to buy something from China, or if I need to travel to China, I have to change my currency to Chinese yuan or the RMB. So that's the process of me changing to their currency is called foreign exchange. Foreign exchange. So whatever the amount that was added, or whatever the money that was added on top, or the money I use in exchanging the currency, that is the that is what is called the foreign exchange rate. The foreign exchange rate. Okay, when you're talking about forex, there are so many ways to trade forex. You can, yeah, one way is you can buy a currency and keep it. When the value increases in your country, you sell it. That's one way of trading forex. Another way of trading forex is to trade digitally. So the one I'm referring to now is the digital way of trading forex. You must have come across something like this before. So this is the kind of way I'm talking about. So this is what I want to teach you now how to do. So forex. So now next is, where is forex traded? Now, where can we trade forex now? Remember I told you there are two ways of trading forex. You can trade forex by just buying currencies and holding it, and then when the value increase, you can have a domiciliary account, and when the value increases, you make money from there. Or you can buy currency digitally and then trade it manually, adding money for yourself. Understand? So we trade forex with the aid of MT4 or MT5. So this is MT5. MT4 also look like this too. MT4 or MT5. So the full meaning of MT4 is MetaTrader 4. The full meaning of MT5 is MetaTrader 5. So that this is the place we trade forex, MT4 or MT5. So I'm gonna do a video where I will link it up to this video to show you how to download the MT4, how to set it up, and how to start using it. It's very easy. So next one is what is traded in forex. What do we trade in forex? We trade two things in forex. We can either trade currencies, country currencies, or we trade stock like the Nasdaq, the you can trade Deriv, the volatility, the step indices, etc. You can trade Apple stock, you can trade Amazon stock, Facebook stock, etc. Or we can trade currencies like GBUSD, Euro USD, AUD card, AUD CHF, CAD, JPY. So you can see this is like two currencies combined together. Like AUD is the Australian dollar, CAD is the Canadian dollars, AUD CHF is the Australian dollar versus uh, Swiss francs. This is CAD JPY means the Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen. So remember earlier I told you is a combination of currencies. Yeah. So but here now we are not holding it physically, so we are trading it digitally to make money. So the second one is who is a forex broker. So how do we even start trading forex at first? First and foremost, is not everybody. Normally, before we don't have access to forex market. Understand? So the forex brokers came in and they were able to make us to trade forex even with our little money. Understand? So forex brokers are people that gives leverage, company that gives leverage. You get they give the common man. Normally, your money not supposed to be enough. People that can trade forex is the central bank of every country. You get what the forex broker have come to reach that limit. They give you opportunity to trade forex with as low as even $5. Some brokers even take $5. Some brokers even take $10. So there are people that gives you leverage to trade the forex market. I'm gonna do a video about leverage and link it up, but let me still explain what is leverage. Leverage is like leverage is like you saying, okay, look, I want to buy this house, and this house worth 100 million, and you don't have 100 million, and what you have currently with you is maybe 1 million, and the broker was okay, bring 1 million, let's give you a leverage whereby you own this house, use this house for a particular time. So if you can make money from this house, you're like renting this house. If you can make money during the period of your rentage, the profits you make is your own. The 1 million naira you still put in there is still your own, but it's like the leverage of them giving you access to use this house for whatever you want to use it for. But whenever you lose your money, if you lose your money, they take your capital. So you pay them, they take both the house and the capital. So there are people that gives you leverage. So for instance, now if you fund $50, they give you leverage of 1:2, 1:5, 1:100, depending. Understand? So now they make your $100, you make your $50 look as if maybe it's a $1,000 or a $2,000 or a $10,000. They give you leverage, the ability to you can trade. You can trade. So if you make money from there, if you make profit from there, you get to keep the profit, still keep the capital. But if you lose money, they will take both your you take both your the capital you invested in. That's a little bit of what I can say about leverage. I'm going to do a very a concise video, about the leverage. So how to start trading forex is very easy. I'm going to talk about that later. Where there's a link below this video, you can click it. It take you to my broker where you create an account step by step. I also have a video I will link to this video. You can create an account step by step, follow my instructions, and you can have uh, a forex trading account. So how to start trading forex is a very easy one. You create an account, from choose a broker, you create an account. I'm going to also do a video on how to choose a good broker, because there are a lot of fake brokers out there. So you won't get scammed by a fake broker. So when you create an account, the next thing is you fund money, deposit money. Of course, you must make deposit money to trade forex. You cannot just don't deposit and you expect to trade. It's not possible. So after then, start trading. So now, when you forex is a very volatile market. It's a very very volatile market where if you don't have the capability if you don't have enough money, I won't advise you to go in. But if you are working and then it's a very beautiful thing that if you can take your time, study it, and learn the basics, you're going to know how to trade forex. Understand? So what do we do? What do we do in forex? What do we do in forex? What we do in forex is very simple. Okay, let me add this. What do we do in forex? So by the time you fund your account, start trading, what happens here is you either buy or you sell, and you'll be hearing language like bullish and bearish. Bull means an upward movement, bearish means a downward movement. So you can also call it buy or sell. So what you literally do in the forex market is either you are buying or you're selling. So it's where so how do we know when to buy odd card, or how do we know when to sell card JPY? You can see card JPY here is sell and odd card here is sell. So we do this by analyzing the market through the help of a chart, forex chart. I'm going to add this forex chart. We do this by the with the aid of forex chart. I have a video that I will link up here, that talks about forex charts. So when you have conquered, you have studied what is forex, you know where forex is being traded, you know what is traded in forex, you know who is a broker, you have already choose your broker, and finally you want to start to venture into trading. The next thing you will come across is the forex chart. So forex chart is a chart whereby you is a chart where you trade forex, you analyze the forex market, you predict, you have a previous history, something that has happened before in the forex market, and then you're predicting, look, this thing is going to go up or this is going to go by. This is a sample of a forex chart. So remember I told you the up movement is the buy, the down movement is the sell. So, or you call it bullish, or you call this bearish. Understand? So, forex market is a way where you at least you analyze, you look at what the forex is about to, the market is about to do. Understand? So, there's a video that I've linked up here that will teach you how to analyze, how to predict well. So, I those understand to be saying, you haven't talked about if the forex market is volatile. Yes, as I said before, the forex market is highly, very, very volatile. And when I mean volatile, I mean it. So you don't get to lose your money. or that you don't get to lose the money. So you can determine what you want to risk. Understand? That is what that's the next topic we'll be teaching. Lot size. Understand? You can determine what you want to risk. For instance, now you can decide to use 0.001 for trading, and I'm going to also teach you what is called proper risk management, where you can where you can trade with carefulness and you make cool cash for yourself. Understand? So I know some persons who might be having this fear whenever they hear forex, you think they will lose all their money. Of course, you will lose all your money if you get greedy. But if you don't get greedy, you follow proper risk management, you study forex psychology very well, it will be something that will change your life forever. It will be something that you will never regret learning in your life. It's a good stream of income. So I would advise you to just take your time, learn much about it, yes, before you enter into it. But if you follow my video back to back, I'm going to drop a video part two. I'm going to drop a video about what is leverage, what is loss size, what is stop loss and take profit. Stop loss is like saying you're buying. For instance, now you're on this trade, you're buying, and then you said, oh, let me put my stop loss in so that in case maybe this market change direction just like this and it's going down, let this close me here. So I'm willing to lose maybe $20 on this trade, and maybe I'm willing to take profit. I'm willing to profit like $100 on this trade as a risk reward ratio. You get? So in forex, you don't lose your money all that, except maybe when you get greedy. Understand? So loss size, stop loss, and take profit. I'm going to teach you in the next video. I'm also going to include part 4, where I will teach you risk management, proper risk management, forex psychology, and the rest. So please do well to watch the next video. All right, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because that is the only way it's the only how you can support this channel. Without your subscription, without your like, without your comment, I will not be able to be encouraged each time I do a video. If I see a like, somebody subscribe to my channel, I'll be encouraged to do more videos. Each time any YouTuber do videos, they spend money to do it. Like this content right now, I'm spending money on the video editing and everything. So thank you. Please do wait to see the next video. All right, cheers.